guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back again with a new project file tutorial. Today we'll be making a very unique and stylish history project file. If you wanted to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching this entire tutorial. Let's get this video started. First, I'm going to make a very quick and easy paper scroll. Take a rectangular or square piece of paper. For rolling this paper, I'm using a stick. As you continue to roll the paper, remember to keep it tight. When you get close to the corner, apply glue and stick the end. So our paper stick is ready. So I have taken a black chart paper. You can choose any of your favorite color as main sheet. Next, you will need an A4 size paper. To make a scroll with one handle, simply glue the paper stick that we prepared earlier to one end of the scroll and roll it. Next, stick the paper scroll on the main sheet. And finally, cut the ends of the paper roll. For the next step, I'm using yellow chrome and brown tube watercolors. You can also use poster colors instead of this. I'm going to color the entire A4 size paper with yellow chrome color. After that, paint the corners and edges with brown color to give a shading effect. I am using brown sketch pens to color the ends of the paper stick. Let it dry. By the time we'll move to the next step. On a piece of paper, draw a feather shape. Here I have taken some old magazines. I'm going to choose some colorful pages, especially the advertisement page. Avoid the text and headings, so I'm cutting out some random colors as shown in the video. So finally, I have collected some paper cutouts. Let's move to the next step. Stick the cutouts on the outline of the midspine. And cut the feather shape out with the scissors. And finally, our collage feather is ready. Next, decorate the project file with headings and label. Finally, paste the paper collage feather. Our beautiful project file is ready. So I hope you all like this video. Please motivate me through your valuable suggestions, likes and comments. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more and awesome videos. You can also check out my channel Be Creative and Artistic for more border designs and project file decorations. All the materials which I have used in this video is mentioned in the description box below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.